The most profitable idea available for people who exercise, do bodybuilding and earn money. If we go to the introduction of today's idea, if you are interested in making money from YouTube, go and see the playlist of YouTube ideas, pretty good. Let's move on to today's idea. Certainly everyone likes to be able to earn money and adaptation of exercise and building and maintaining their body. One of the very attractive ideas for adults is the ideas of bodybuilding, which you can use to get a good income. Let's first go to see some challenges to check and attractive. Let's first go to some challenges to check and activities in this field and see their income. Like these channels with 256 video, it has 6 million subscribers, and see what video it has. The income of these channels is $55,000 per month. Let's see another channel. This channel has 4 million subscribers with 438 videos and a monthly income of $29,000. Well, let's see how to implement this idea. In this idea, you can try to do niche that is related to bodybuilding. For example, you can do different training because there are many people who are new to work and know how to do the movement. You can put your phone on and do it. Put a tripod and do the movement of the opinion and explain what you think. It nice during this explanation. Try to make only one channel and teach all of the movement, and try to put every tip about bodybuilding on your channel. Don't try to do anything at all. For example, you can make a channel on bodybuilding at home, how to do exercise at home so that you can build a good and fit body. Or you can create challenges that are done every day from the stream. Create one task, for example, how to lose 20 pounds in 30 days, and give the important video for losing weight at home every day and make 30 video in 30 days. Of course, no one can lose 20 pounds in 30 days, but such challenges are extremely attractive and the audience will enjoy watching your next video. So, how should you play now? It's better to put yourself and the from before and after in the thumbnail and in all. The thumbnails that is no one side, put the image of a fat man or woman and drag on around to the other side where the image of a thin man is placed. You click watch your video until the end, or you can copy it from the big channels of your topic and popular video thumbnail and use it for your video. Also, try to use zoom in your thumbnails and title as well. I went to barfix for 5,000 in one day. This way to cautioning move the audience to watch the video. How is it like to hit so many barfix in one day and watch the video till the end? Well, we have reached the bottom of this video. If you have any question, please write in the comment. Bye.